If you want to quickly check how much Google Drive storage space you have left, this video will show you the easiest ways to do it on the web version of Google Drive. This is really useful if you're running low on storage, trying to find out what's taking up space, or just want a fast overview of your account usage. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and sign in to the Google account you want to check. Once Google Drive loads, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. Right there, you'll see your storage summary showing how much space you've used and how much is still available. This is the quickest way to check your Google Drive storage without clicking through a bunch of menus. It gives you an instant snapshot of your current usage, so if you're close to your limit, you'll know right away. Now, if you want a more detailed view, there's another method you can use. On the left side of Google Drive, click on Storage. This opens a full storage overview page where your files are sorted by size. That makes it much easier to identify the biggest files in your account, which is especially helpful if you need to free up space fast. You can go through the largest files first, decide what you no longer need, and delete or move them as needed. This storage overview is also a great way to manage your Google account more efficiently. Instead of guessing what is taking up space, you can clearly see the files that matter most. If you use Google Drive for documents, photos, videos, or shared projects, checking storage regularly can help you avoid hitting the limit unexpectedly. It's a simple habit, but it can save you a lot of time and frustration later. If you're using Google Drive on a smaller screen, the layout may look a little different, but the storage section is still easy to find. Just look for the storage option in the left-hand menu or check the bottom left corner for your current usage. Either method works, so use whichever one feels easier for you. And that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can check your Google Drive storage space and see exactly how much room you have left. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.